Well, I thought I'd do a quick update video on this backyard discovery cedar wooden swing set. And the main reason I'm doing this video is just because on my video I did where I actually demonstrated putting it together and giving you all my tips, somebody asked me, how's it holding up? Well, it's been 2 years now, so I thought I'd just do an update video and just show you how it's holding up. So let me take the camera and I'm gonna go around and I'll show you exactly what's good, what's starting to wear a little bit. And down there in the description, I'm gonna put a link to the original video where I actually unboxed it, actually did a time lapse on putting it together, and I give you some real good tips, things you need to know before you buy this. So look down there in the description and you'll see the link. So let's get started. All right, let's just get started here on one end. This is the swing slide. Looks like it's holding up real well. Everything's good. A little bit of discoloration on the yellow part, but for the most part, looks good. Moving up here to the canopy. This is the part that I really thought would go first. You know, we've got a lot of weather in Texas, a lot of high winds at times. Sometimes we get some ice storms, but 2 years, got a little dust on it, but other than that, it actually is holding up good. And don't look like I'm gonna have to replace that anytime soon. Swings, the chains got the green coating on them. They look good. Your little, I don't know what you call that, a monkey bar. Looks good. The seats on the swings, they look like they're holding up good. What I have noticed though, the part is flat and exposed to the elements most of the time. Like the little picnic table here, you can see it's starting to get a little discoloration on the wood. Wood's still plenty good, it's just starting to get a little discoloration. Might possibly have to stain that. But as far as the parts, you can see that's covered or, you know, that's not exposed to the elements straight on, it's actually holding up real well. Let's walk around to the what I call the little fort. You can see in here the part is, like I say, laying flat. It's starting to be discolored a little bit of discoloration on the ladder. But other than that, it's all still solid. Everything's holding up well. So that's about all I've got to say as far it is. I'd say it's held up real well for 2 years, other than I probably it's getting about time to stain it. So, well, I hope this little quick updated video helped you out and answered your questions. Like I say, don't forget to check the link down there in the description. Check that out if you haven't already bought one. So if he helped you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I just share my family with the world. If we're doing something, we're going to film it. You never know which one of us you're going to see. So until next time, catch you later.